Hello, my name is Anne Ibrahim, the owner of Vitamix Port Harcourt. Thank you for watching our channel, and in case you haven't subscribed yet, we encourage you to subscribe, like, share our videos so that you get updates on our subsequent videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make simple fondant recipe using two basic ingredients. A lot of us are familiar with making our fondant with marshmallow, gelatin or egg white. But in this tutorial, you're going to learn how to use just two ingredients to make your pliable, ready to use, or weather friendly fondant. And you know what? This is the fondant I have been using, and I can guarantee you that you won't get it wrong. You'll be happy with that taste. You would need 1 kg of icing sugar. Don't forget to always sieve your icing sugar. 1 tablespoon of CMC, 1 tablespoon of glucose syrup, 10 tablespoons of hot water, some icing sugar to dust your work surface with before kneading, and 1 tablespoon for measurement. Add 1 whole tablespoon of CMC to your icing sugar. Then dilute 1 tablespoon of, add 1 full tablespoon of glucose into your 10 tablespoon hot water and stir until it is properly dissolved. Stir in your CMC and icing sugar together. Then make a hole at the middle and then pour in your dissolved glucose syrup. After that, the next thing to do is to incorporate your ingredients together before kneading. Just so that you know, some icing sugar absorb water more than others, so you may need to use just 10 tablespoons of water. Peradventure your icing sugar does not have the ability to absorb water, so that you don't have a running fondant or a soft fondant. For this particular icing sugar, the 10 tablespoons of water is just perfect. So we are going to bind it together before kneading. You can see it's already coming together. Our fondant is ready for kneading, as you can see. So we are just going to place it on our work surface and then knead properly. Remember to dust your work surface with some icing sugar before kneading to prevent it from sticking. You can see how white it looks, even without adding any whitener. Knead properly, don't stretch, just knead. Wow, our fondant is ready. You can use this right away. You can see how white it looks, how stretchy. Our fondant is ready. You can see how white it looks, and you can see how pliable it is. It is ready for use. You can see how stretchy. It's good for all weather. It does not sweat. It's affordable. It does not tear. The next thing to do is to store in an airtight bag. You can refrigerate, or you can keep it in a dry place until you are ready to use it. So with this, we've come to the end of our fondant class. I hope you have learned something new today with us. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share our videos so that you keep getting updates on our available videos. Thanks for watching.